out this morning. Is it still morning? I think so. We're on our way to Home Depot. This is my boyfriend Keith. Our landlord finally gave us the okay, thanks to master negotiator over here, to change up our cabinets. We'll show you when we get upstairs, but they're pretty nasty right now. They're like, they look like there was a dog or something that lived there and just chewed them up, and he never changed them. But we're gonna change it today. Well, we're gonna start because it's probably gonna take a few days to paint them and everything. But we'll see you at Home Depot. All right, guys, we're back from Home Depot. We didn't film in there because it was kind of really busy, and then it took like 30 minutes just to cut all the wood. Luckily, the guy was nice enough to do it, but he said they usually won't do that many pieces. Our doors are all like chewed up and gross. Like, look at the inside of this. Nasty. So we're gonna take off all these doors, paint the base, paint the wood boards we got, and have a new kitchen. So we ended up picking up, what's it called? MDF boards. The ones that we have now are particle board. As you can see here, it's like gross. But the MDF seemed sturdier, and it was a lot smoother than, you know, real wood, like plywood. So that's what we went for. Right now, I just took off all the bottom. Oh, there's Biscuit. Please excuse the mess inside the cabinets. But I just took off all the doors, make sure that everything was the same size. And we were planning on keeping the same hinges, but now I'm realizing that we can't because, as you can see here, this piece here actually goes inside the wood, which I did not realize before. And that's just way too much work, so we'll probably just replace all of them. This video is definitely not a tutorial by any means. It's more just us kind of vlogging the kitchen transformation. But if you are looking for a tutorial, I'll link some down below that I referenced.
Careful with getting on my rug.
Your rug?
My rug.
Oh, you didn't even like this rug.
Don't even like that rug.
Why are you telling me that?
But you better be careful.
You just want to tell me what to do.
You definitely think you touched the rug.
Shut up!
I can see it.
If you're not gonna help, get out.
I help you. You need more paint.
Get out!
We just did one.
7.75. Yeah, we only did one. 27.75 minus 32.25 divided by 2, 1, 1/8. The same thing. Yeah. Bad math.
You better bet.
Come on, bad
You
math.
said 27 divided by 30.25.
No, I didn't.
You said
I said 30.
Is this on record?
30 minus
Is this on record?
27.1.
this on recording? You said 27 divided by 30. You said that, I promise you. Can I?
No, not now. We'll go back.
Yeah, we'll go back and you'll see what you actually said.
27.75 minus 32.25 divided by 2.
Alright.
Shut up. No, stop. It's so annoying.
We'll see.
Yeah, how annoying you are? I will.
Yeah, how annoying I am.
Let's go!
You love it?
It's amazing.
Come back here.
So good. We killed the game. You killed the game.
I'll kill you. Here's the finished result. It looks so good. Turned out amazing. You can see we use these really nice handles from Amazon actually. I don't know if you can tell, they're like a little bit raised here. And then the handles are also, not the handles, the hinges are also from Amazon. Super affordable, really easy to work with. Like I said before, we just got MDF board. We didn't get actual cabinet doors because that's what we could afford. And our last cabinets were flat like that anyway. But they look amazing. And with all our wood accessories and the black, it just ties it in so much better. I was contemplating between black hardware and silver hardware, but just to bring in all of the black accents inside the kitchen, I thought this would look a little bit better. It's definitely a little farmhouse, but that's the style that we're really into right now. Alright guys, so that wraps up our kitchen makeover. Really hope you liked it. It was really easy. We ended up doing it in about 5 days total, but we didn't work every day, and each time that we did, we only did about 2 hours. So if you really wanted to, you could probably get this done in a weekend. The longest, most time-consuming part is just waiting between coats of paint. What we did was 1 coat of primer, 2 to 3 coats of the Benjamin Moore Advanced cabinet paint. Everything was super affordable. We got all of the MDF board for I think like about $90. I'll have all the prices listed here. The hinges were about 20 bucks. Handles were about 25. And in total, we ended up spending just under $240, I think, which for an entirely new kitchen is not bad at all. Totally changed the space. Our floors, I don't know if you could see them in the other clips, are green linoleum, which unfortunately we cannot change. And the white just is a lot better because it neutralizes the space a little bit more. And it's a lot more modern. I know not all landlords will allow their tenants to do this, but at least ask, because at first I was too nervous to even ask, and Keith pushed me. You know, the worst that could happen is that they say no. But if they say yes, then you've got yourself a whole new kitchen. And realistically, if it's in really bad condition like ours was, having a contractor come out and put in actual new cabinets would be so much more money than $200. So, you know, just gotta work with your landlords and see how much they'll let you do. But yeah, that's our entire transformation. I hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for more videos coming up.